Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Debit Card Profits and Levels. What I want you to understand right from the beginning is what a system is. A system is a set of detailed methods, procedures, and routines created to carry out a specific activity, perform a duty, or solve a problem. What you have stumbled upon here is a system that was designed to solve a problem. What is that problem? The problem is people always failing online to produce an income. Our system will solve that problem. Our system is also an organized, purposeful structure that consists of interrelated and interdependent elements such as components, entities, factors, members, parts, etc. Now that we have that out of the way, let me show you the various steps, 5 in all, in our program that walks you through the system and profits every member that joins. Step 1 is right here. Okay, if you notice right here, all you need to do is pull down this menu, choose any product that you wish to purchase, click on Go, and it will open a page and you make your purchase. Remember that the product is that you purchased because you will need to put that product in the form in step 4 when you get on our payroll. Okay, before I move on to step 2, let me tell you a little more about step 1. When you place your order for a product in step 1, one of our members will receive 75% of whatever the item price is from ClickBank. There should really only be 2 actual reasons you cannot make a $10 purchase from our menu. The first, of course, would be that you really can't afford $10. I realize that some people are really financially pressed, and if this is the case, continue on through the rest of the steps. The other reason would possibly be your location that would be blocking your purchase. I believe this is rare, but if it is the case, continue on and we will work that out. If the person that referred you does not have a ClickBank account, this is the importance of completing this step because you are going to be sent to that person's People's Program affiliate link, and that is the only identification I have for them. So complete step 2 so I will know who referred you. Now the rest of the steps all have instructional videos when you open them up, and all you will need to do is click to start the video and read that what accompanies it. Then do whatever it tells you to do. So I'm going to walk through everything that you need to do and tell you as I go while not actually doing some of the things, but explaining why. I've already showed you step 1, and there is also a supporting video right down here for step 1. Right there, view the video. Well, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to walk all the way through the program, the registration, the purchasing, and everything else, and show you just exactly how it goes. I'm going to go to blogging for cash $10, because it's already up there, but I'm going to show you down here there are a lot of other $10 total 8 products that we could sell for $10. So let me go there and show you the page that accompanies that $10 product. Logging for cash. Now when you click on buy the product, it's going to open an order page, and you would actually make your purchase from this page. But the one thing I want to show you on this page as it opens it up is the member that we have that you were sent to their page, and I'll show you that actual affiliate identification link down at the bottom of the page. It works so slow on the videos. Here it comes, secure checkout. So if you go down on this page and you made your purchase from this page, Kathy here, this is her identification, her ClickBank username and everything. It shows up right in here, shows that she gets paid 75% of this product. Now once you complete that purchase, I'm going to close this out. Close this page out, and we're going to move on to step number 2. Okay, now as I mentioned before, step number 2 is nothing more than getting further registered with us, and this will let us know who referred you. If the person that referred you is also a ClickBank member, then we will show a supporting identification for you from the forms in step 4, and also from this step when you fill out the form on the accompanying page. Let me do that right now. Step 2, click there. I'm going to open that page up. Now we hurry up and wait again. And as you can see, you would click on the video right here. It would show you just what you need to do. In step 2, you go directly to the bottom of the page and you click on this icon right here. So I'm going to close this out right now because there is enough supporting information in the video and everything and show you on this page. Right down here, we'll go up here. And again, we wait until the page loads. And I'm going to stop the video in this page just for the sake of this video, because it spends a lot of time. Okay, so far.
Coming to you live from one.
There it is. It stopped right there. And I'm going to enter my information in here. Now, this step, as I mentioned before, is only for, let me find something else out here. Now, I'm going to explain to you here, this is a free tour, and if you were to sign up for this program, you would have to pay $200, $125 to me, $50 to the admin, and $25 to my sponsor in this program. But you're not going to do that unless you want to later on. So I'm going to close this right now. If you came back and you wanted to do that, you would put your email address that you registered in with a second time visitor down there, and you would actually go through the tour again and sign up for the program. But you see, my affiliates get paid $62.50, and as you can see, everybody gets a link to that page there, and that link shows me who referred you. Okay, now in step 3, this is where you're going to get a ClickBank username. And as I told you before, if you cannot get a ClickBank username because of your location or wherever, that's okay, because we are going to skip this one. But as you can see, to get a ClickBank username, you would click right here, and it's going to open another page. Again, we wait. And the important thing to remember when you're filling out this form is as you move into the banking information, all they want to know is the name of a branch, a bank that's in your local area. So you fill everything out here, you get your ClickBank username, and then you come back to this page right here, and you're going to move on to step 4. Step 4 is to get on our payroll. You fill out this form, and the item that purchased was blogging for cash. Of course, I did not purchase it, but if you purchased it, don't put anything down there if you didn't purchase it. But if you did purchase it, put that information in there. Put your ClickBank username right there and hit enter. And if you do not get forwarded to the next page, don't worry too much about it, because I'm going to put that in the email that gets sent to you. That does tell me that you signed up and everything. And I've been having a little bit of trouble with that, because as you can see, it did not send me to the next page like it was supposed to there. But that's okay, because it's going to be in the email that I send you. And that's step 5. That's going to allow you can skip it if you're not going to upgrade in our program. But if you do want to